Hey guys, what's up? It's Ian, and I'm gonna be starting a Let's Play, and I'm gonna call it A Survivor's Life. So, this is what we're gonna call this world. I put cheats on so that if I spawn like underground and suffocate like last time I tried to do Let's Play, that's what happened. And I failed because I didn't have cheats on, so I'm gonna put cheats on just in case. And create new world. There's no seed entered. We want to start out fresh. So, oh my god. And I'm using this Fax PBD Craft, by the way. It's my favorite texture pack. I wasn't using it in most of my videos because I don't know, I just didn't want to. So, let's go punch some trees. And sorry because I can't put full screen because when I do, the inventory just literally like on and off, on and off. So the hotbar right there would disappear. Like in every second it would disappear like 2-3 times, and that was very annoying. So I decided I would just not play in full screen. And most of my videos aren't in like normal, I think, not on full screen. So let's get ourselves some wood. I think 16 to 20 logs would be good. So that's like 3-4 trees. Depends. I'm gonna take some birch and some oak. So now we just get what the hell? It just looked like it wasn't getting broken. So that surprised me a little bit, but just a glitch. Let me get in there. There are two. Ooh, sheep. That's just perfect for a bed. And I kind of want a bed. So I don't have to stay up all night. Because then mommy would shout at me. That's not fair. This broken. So here we go. Got some cows and sheep just after respawning. That's just perfect. Too perfect. Okay. I just wish this recording program had a button to stop it because wait, maybe it does. No idea. Anyway, so I don't know where I'm gonna make my house. I think it's gonna be in the mountain because I just feel like it. Yep, for now it's gonna be in the mountains somewhere. Whoa, pumpkins already. This is just gonna be epic. Let me get some seeds. Here we got 2, 3. Yep, 3 is good for now. And for some reason splits out the texture pack. Never noticed. So there's some clay. That's gonna be pretty useful later on. Well, it's not exactly useful. I just like using bricks to build. I just wish we had some potatoes because the source of food just make baked potatoes really easy. But potatoes are pretty rare because you can only find them in the villages or from zombie drops. And they're very rare to come from a zombie. And on Hazecraft I have tons of them and I hate them, but this isn't Hazecraft, so it's pretty good. Oh crap. Oh my god, this game is, oh, that was just glitch. Ooh, cool, I'm ready. There we go, I'm just gonna build a small house right here. So let's just take some wood, take the crafting table. just gonna use it all up. Clear this area up grass because it just looks annoying. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna take some wood and I'm gonna do something like that for now. Oh my god. I moved the mouse 1 second before it breaks. And I'm already running out of wood, which isn't exactly really good, as far as I know. I'm always short on wood in every single server I play on. I'm always short on wood, except in Witchcraft, which is the server that I do my raids on. And you should know that. If I didn't say it then, I'll say it right now. Because I'm really stupid and I forget I say a lot of things. Whoa, this house is going to be pretty big. It's not going to be exactly small. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Sorry for my stupidity. I must be born like this. And we're out of wood, so looks like we have to go and get some more. And we're getting hungry, which is even worse. Oh, I could actually go that far. And I have 2 items. I could just kill some wood anytime, but I'm gonna make this legit gameplay, so I'm not gonna cheat. The only reason I put cheats on is just in case I get glitched in and I can't sprint anymore. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I wish you could just eat pumpkins just like that. But you need sugar and eggs to make pumpkin pie. God dang it. I'm gonna kill some cow. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill some cow. Get ourselves some fast food. Junk food is bad. And it turns out I just did a junk food project for science, which is pretty damn annoying. It's like some kind of video thing. Yay, we can run. And we got 2 leather, which is pretty good. I just have to make sure I have at least 2 cows left, because if they run out, I'm gonna kill myself. And just spawn some more using too many items, because it would just be unfair, in my opinion. Why did the cows just run out? That is not fair. This is a huge country. Why only 5 cows? Huh? Which sounds a little bit too weird to be known. Like, weird isn't that what Yay, saplings. Just what we need, and let's just make sure. I'll just put it on normal for now. I thought it was on normal, but it was on easy, because I'm an idiot. 5 saplings, that's good for now. Now let's just get some more food. I don't know if I kill the sheep or not, because I don't exactly have shears. So I'm not really sure. I'll have to go 3 sheep to get the bed. Actually, the most. Whoa, piggies! Yay! Just what I need for some food. But there's only 2 piggies, so I can't go. Oh yeah, there's one. Yay! Die! Little pig. Die! Where are you? Yay! Whoa! We wobble jump. Sorry I did that to your brother. Really sorry, but you're gonna die too. God dang it. God dang it. Yes, dude. I'm just gonna head off to the jungle, get myself some cocoa beans, and go back. Yep. I wish I could just make some food. I wish we could just get, like, take apples from trees. And, like, every tree must have, like, every 3 or 4 trees you get an apple or so. Like, some trees have apples, some trees don't. So you have an apple tree and normal tree. So you have apple trees happening and normal boring trees happening. Which will never happen, so I don't even know why I'm talking about it. I'm gonna die, it's getting late. Mom's gonna kill me. And I won't have a home, and I'll turn it on. I'll put it on peaceful. That's what I'm gonna do. God darn it. Okay, I think it's time to run now. Because I'm pretty far from the place where I made that home. I'm lost. God damn. Oh yeah, I know where it is. But it's because, oh shit. Seriously, why do I have to be hungry right now? Oh my god, this is the worst thing I've ever done. I'm just gonna have to do something really stupid for now. Well, it's actually pretty smart, but... Oh my god, okay, okay. Yes, oh shit. Seriously, why do you hate on me so much? Okay. So, I'm gonna place this crafting table. Let's make a pickaxe, get that stone right next to us. If I get like, wait, I need exactly 11 stone, well, cobblestone to make a furnace and a stone pickaxe, which is what I want right now. And I think I'm gonna get a sword too. Yeah, I'm gonna get a sword, a stone one, because I don't like to waste wood. I'm always short on wood. And I need wood for charcoal. Oh my. Did I just turn? Oh, thank God. I thought I just made every single oak log into planks. I would have killed myself. Okay, so. Oh. So here we go. This is our pickaxe. I'm just gonna use our little knot now. Oh, this is actually pretty good for now. Come on, come on, come on, please, 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 yes. So here we go. We're out on. Wait. I'm keeping this one charcoal for something else. Oh god damn it. I don't know if I make a run. What? I have no idea what to do right now. I think I'm just gonna make a stone sword and go kill some skeletons for one purpose, bones, which are quite good. I want to use them all before 1.5 because it's gonna take like 3 to 4. Whoa, we got arrows and a bow, and no bones. Damn. Oh, we got a bow, which is pretty cool. What's that? I can't even see it. I got Optifine Sympathy, which is gonna be pretty good for this Let's Play. Except if I'm gonna see what's all the way out there, which is a skeleton, and I'm gonna go kill it. Oh crap, 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 crap. Dang it. Well, I'm kind of running out of time for the video. I have a minute and 15 minutes, so don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you guys later.